Good morning, guys! So, nakaligo na ako. Pumunta na ako ng mall. Hindi ako nakaabot ng church kasi I woke up late. Mga 11 na ako nagising. So, yeah. We are going to have lunch with the family and then we're gonna go get a mani-pedi and get some waxing done. So, I'm gonna vlog all throughout the day. Di na ako mag-makeup. Nag-spray lang ako ng Ceratec moisture spray ko kasi no time for masks. So, yan. Uber, it's on its way. We're at the vet right now with my mom. Dala namin si baby. Papa-check up. Siya yung aso na sinasabi ko sa isang vlog. Hi, Bessie. Hi. Hi. I'm a little weak. Hi. Mwah. Feel joy. Wala may aso doon. Guys, may namita akong dog. Ang pangalan niya Kate. Tapos sa ibang vet, sabi daw, kidney problem. E nung nakita ko siya, sabi ko parang buntis. So, ibang vet to, pina-ultrasound siya. Buntis si Kate. Hi, Kate! Buntis siya. Hi! Mommy na si Kate. Cutie. Mommy na yan. Kasama kayo si Axel. Hi! This is Mucho. Mucho, so cute. Mucho cute. Baby pa yan eh. 3 months lang yan eh. Oh. Play na si Mucho. Oh shit. Tissue sa madumi paa niya. Hi baby boy. Madumi ang paa ni Mucho. Hi.
Busy ako, yung klase pa ako bukas kasi.
So cute. Hi. Now here at Lay Bear, guys, I'm gonna get waxed for next week's trip. So, ganito yung itsura na lang ng waxing station nila. Ayan. Bongga. I'm now here at Buff Spa, guys. Sobrang ganda, nag-renovate sila. Ang linis tingnan. So, I'm right here. Pedicure na lang. Tapos, nagpagawa na ako ng nails. Sobrang ganda ng kulay. Ayan, guys. Sobrang ganda ng kulay. Bongga. I love it. This one pa. Ito yung nahiwa yung kamay ko. Crap. We're here at Ramen Cool. At magpakita ka, hindi ka na nakikita. Ay, yung panganay. We're having shoyu ramen. Lamig kasi dun sa pinag-nails ko. Okay naman, pero nakalimutan ko maglalaba ako mamaya. So, masisira din to mamaya. Ugh, di ba na? Ayan, tapos meron tayong hot tea. Ganda ng wall nila, oh. Wow. Cute! SM Manila to. Gyoza. Ang taba ng gyoza nila, no? Tapos ang sauce nun yun. Yeah. And they have free hot tea. Masarap. Free pa yan. Kay Ate cold, no? Na may syrup. So, bongga. Back home na, guys. So, I had dinner with my sister. My oldest sister. Tapos, nagpagawa ako ng shorts. Kasi diba sila ng zipper. Grabe. Sa SM Manila Alter Station. 240. Zipper. 240. Nakakaloka-loka. And yung isang dress ko, hindi ko na pinagawa. Kasi, 600. Pagpapatahi mo. Kasi konting may mga sira to. Pag pinatahi mo, 600. No thanks. Grabe, nakakaloka. Anyway, guys, sobrang pleasant ng, waxing experience sa Lay Bear. Sobrang bilis. Parang, wala pang 15 minutes, tapos na kami. Sobrang bilis talaga. At mabait yung, yung girl. Name niya si Joy. So, babalik ako sa kanya. I'm all ready for the beach. So, super bongga Lay Bear. Sila at ang pinakamurang waxing station. So, I like them. So, try ko tomorrow. Papaayos ko to. Tomorrow kasi mag-gym kami ni Iza. So, try ko papaayos ko to sa nearby dress shop lang. Yung mga ang tawag sa kanila, yung mga mini dress shop dyan. So, I'll try. Tapos pala, I did not vlog earlier, but we looked into a house. Parang, I'm not sure, bigla-biglaan, pero there's this house na parang okay for everyone, for the whole family. So, I might be like leaving this apartment this week or next week. I don't really know, but we'll see. We'll see kung ano mangyayari. Pero kasi we looked into it, tapos parang okay naman. It's very near, as in near naman, near everything, near everywhere. Kaya sobrang bongga. So, yun, yung pinag-usapan lang namin ng kapatid ko. So, nag-usap kami about life insurance. So, yes, we might be saying goodbye to this apartment next week. I don't know. Maybe. So, ayan. At ang dami kong gamit. So, kalurks lang. Anyway, yeah. I'm going to end the vlog na since I have to edit the vlog pa. At kailangan ko matapos mag-empake. I really like my nails, guys. Pero kailangan ko pa maglaba. Ito yung balde doon. Kailangan ko pa maglaba. So, siguro masisira to. Whatever. Pero yun, maganda naman. Okay naman. Ay, tapos pala, hindi ako nakapag-wax ng legs. So, ang gagawin ko, I will use my favorite hair removal cream, which is the Veet one. Veet siya. So, gagamitin ko sa legs ko to. And I also have to wash the dishes kasi hindi ko na-wash yan. Tapos, yun. And guys, by tomorrow, I have to empty the fridge na since ide-defrost ko yan pag alis ko. So, o nga pala guys, we went to the vet kanina pala and we spent like 3,000 pesos for baby's checkup. And it's super unfortunate talaga. I'm very sad to say talaga na pina-blood test namin siya and then yung results, it came out. Tapos, yung mga normal levels dapat, parang hindi ko alam kung ano yung mga terms, pero may isa doon, kailangan kasi 70 lang yung level niya. Pero yung kay baby, 440. So, sobrang taas na talaga ng mga, hindi ko alam yung terms, pero basically, nilalaso na yung blood niya. Dahil hindi na nagpa-function yung kidney niya. And, wala na kayo masyadong ibang choice kasi nga matanda na si baby, 11 years old na siya. So, basically, ang binigay sa amin ng vet, they gave us like supplements na lang para pahabain pa yung buhay ni baby. But, yeah, basically, she is really weak na. Tapos, yun, we opted to like bring her home na lang, hindi na pinakonfine kasi hindi rin daw kakayanin ng kidney at liver. Yun ang tinamaan ng kidney at liver. Hindi na daw kakayanin ng kidney at liver niya yung mga gamot. If ever magagamot man siya. So, yeah, just really sad. So sad. Kawawa si baby. Pero, yeah, all dogs go to doggy heaven. And we'll just, you know, do our best to make her as comfortable as possible sa bahay siya. Yun lang guys. See you. Bye!